Okay, what am I going to do a video of? Let's go ahead and do my old Glossybox from maybe December. Excuse me, $21 a month. Glossybox. See? Glossybox. And I subscribe and then I like unsubscribe because it's 21 and I don't really like it all that much. But they always have like different kind of boxes. Well, usually they have their signature beautiful pink box that you can reuse. Do not throw these away. They're just way too good quality. I believe this was their December. I cannot remember, but look how pretty reflective that is. And then it comes with a pretty ribbon, always tied up. Then you get your little pamphlet that always has like info, and then you get bam, all the stuff that you're gonna get in the box. Woohoo! You know what? It's like February, and I live in Georgia, and I got my air conditioner on. It has been beautiful all this week. Yes, I'm gonna be like beautiful, but anyways, it's been like 70s. Seriously. And it has, last night, first time, put it on the AC in February. I don't know where our winter went, but I'm not complaining because it's been so gorgeous driving in the Jeep and all that good stuff in the back roads. Anyway, but here's all my stuff. So we're just going to pull out this copper and crane. It's a radiance mask. I don't do masks, so this will be given away to my sister. I'll probably send it to her. So, and I know that this is such good quality. I want to try some of their other stuff they have. I just don't do like a mask where you have to like rinse it off. I find it too tedious and I just don't like it. I like sleeping masks where you just like leave it on even though they say rinse it off the next morning, but I just like those kind of masks. Here is a Becca beautiful lip topper, like a, yeah, it says liquid crystal lip topper. Let's try this out. Won't be giving this away. Did you see that did actually kind of add some extra shine? So it doesn't really smell like anything. You would think it would smell kind of like candy or something. Then we have a Jafra. I believe a Jafra, a lipstick. We'll definitely be giving this probably to my daughter because she likes bold colors like this. And this is what I called bold. Holy crap. Yeah, I'll probably give this to her. She's 17 and she only wears nail polish and lip gloss and lipstick, and that's the only makeup she wears, or like for her nails and stuff like that. Then the next thing I'm pulling out is Kaleidoscope Cosmetics. I like their packaging, and this is the Astro Light. It's for the eyes, so this will be given away because I really want it to be like, I wrote the company, I'm like, can you actually use this for the lips? And they said recommended. So I guess since it's got like different kind of ingredients, it's only for the eyes. But what do you think? Something for sensitive of your eyes would be okay for the lips? I mean, is there a rule that you cannot use something for your eyes? Yeah, I'm not going to put this on my lips because I just had a whiff of what it smells like. This is definitely for the eyes. So I will definitely be giving this away probably to my sister too. The packaging is really cute. It's got the cute little bunny on it. Cruelty free. Woohoo! And then the last thing I'm pulling out is the Luna by Luna. It's the translucent powder. And it looks like this. And I will be keeping this. It got scratched up. But I don't think it doesn't really smell like anything. I don't think it should. But anyways, this was my Glossybox from December. Yeah. So until next time, I hope everyone's having a lovely day wherever you're at. I hope you're warm or cool, because here in Georgia, it is actually getting a little warm. It got a little warm in the house last night. So it was literally, my thermostat was reading like 91. That was not the correct reading. It was not 91. It was more probably like 68 or 72 or something, and it was a little too warm in the house. But for some reason the thermostat was reading 91, and I don't know why it said that. But if it was 91, oh, that would be bad. That would be a really bad day. That would be like a bad day in hell, because it would feel like it. Anyways, until next time, bye.